But then we've also had customers that's like, I don't care if you remember my name, you have to remember my dog's name. So.
Wag Heaven sesuai namanya adalah surga bagi hewan peliharaan berekor seperti anjing. Toko hewan peliharaan atau pet store di Georgetown, negara bagian Texas ini adalah milik Diaspora Indonesia Jusak Tannos Bernhard bersama pasangannya Jeffrey Manley. Jusak dan Jeff pernah bekerja di bidang industri hiburan di Los Angeles sebelum memutuskan terjun ke bisnis pet store. Awalnya karena anjing pertama yang mereka adopsi memiliki alergi.
When we were looking for pet food for one of our dogs that we adopted in Los Angeles, we couldn't find the food. So we decided to open the store.
Tanpa didukung pengalaman, mereka pun belajar secara online dan dari rekanan bisnis seperti distributor dan manufaktur. Dengan prinsip melayani komunitas, keduanya sukses membuka Tailspin di Savannah, Georgia, hingga berkembang menjadi 3 toko, bahkan terpilih sebagai Small Business Person of the Year dari Asosiasi Bisnis Kecil di Georgia.
Be able to do what we promise, give 110%, and then also know how important it was to reach out to the community so that people knew who we were and to try to market our services, but also find the needs in the community that we can help fill.
We give better service. We have services like our self-serve dog wash. We also provide better food, better knowledge.
Layanan seperti inilah yang membedakan toko mereka dari jaringan pet store nasional.
And then especially for small businesses, we find that word of mouth is critical to get new customers.
Setelah menetap di Georgetown, mereka membuka Wag Heaven yang kini sudah memiliki 2 toko. Walau tak mudah menghadapi persaingan, terutama faktor modal, menurut keduanya, kompetisi membantu mereka menjadi lebih baik, lebih personal dalam memberikan pelayanan serta lebih cepat. Dan ini dibenarkan oleh para pelanggan Wag Heaven.
It's different because it's personal. And the owners, you really care about their community and they care about animals. And that makes it really special. And you don't get that from the big chains.
Oh, hands down. You're getting personalized service by people that actually want to work this job and know the products and care about the animals that they sell them to.
Bekerja sama dengan distributor dan manufaktur, mereka membantu komunitas dengan memberikan makanan hewan cuma-cuma dan pengumpulan dana, termasuk kepada Koda, anjing milik Dinas Pemadam Kebakaran Georgetown.
They actually sponsor Koda and all her dog food, so they've been very kind to us.
And I think that's always been our mission, is to be grateful and to give back. Just trust, I think everything will be okay. We love what we do.
Yes.
Just be kind, be kind with each other and just be grateful.
Kedepannya, Jusak dan Jeff berencana untuk mengembangkan bisnis waralaba dengan Wag Heaven bahkan ke Indonesia.
I've always want to go home.
Yes.
It's about being home. And yes, I would love to be a part of that growth in the pet industry in Asia.
Dari Georgetown, Texas, Dania Iman, Lydia Isnanto, Nia Iman Santoso, VOA.